multi-cooking machine cook for me plus connect from Krups or from Tefal, which is an extraordinary rice cooker. It can cook under pressure. So today we want to try a very simple recipe. It's called
Tom yum soup.
Shrimp soup, which is included. The main ingredient is shrimps, some shiitake mushroom, some tomato, some cebollas, garlic and onions, chili, ginger,
Lemongrass.
the seasoning is called nuoc nam sauce. I hope it's the same. It's good, but I cooked already with it. It was very much. What we need is, first we have to connect our machine and open the app. We have here our app. Here's my recipe. I will say continue, and you see the rice cooker will automatically tell you that we have to add 100 milliliter of water per person. We cook for 4 persons. First we put the shrimps, tomato, mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms, garlic, cebollas, 1 stick of lemongrass, some peeled and sliced ginger, and for me, that is my additional ingredients. The chili is not listed, and the nuoc nam sauce or whatever. And finally, very important, the 400 milliliter of water. So the coriander and the lime, calamansi, we will keep it for later. You will add it fresh. I will put it a little bit like this. Yeah. Everything is nice divided. And now we will push the button. And you see, he asked me wants to cook. You can also proceed on the screen here. It's up to you. You continue here. He said, okay. Close and bolt the lid. Like this. And immediately he started to preheating. I prefer to add it first in my stomach before. Now it starts the cooking time from the tom yum soup with shrimps. With normal shrimps, because this soup contains shrimps.
This is 1 minute cooking time.
1 minute time. As you see here, normally you are in this step now. You can see here the time running too in the app. So the phone is connected to the multi-cooker. So long this blue light on the device is on. Look, this shows you that the Bluetooth connection is stable and
9,
engaged.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Now you will need to see.
Yeah, it's It will release automatic the steam, no?
The pressure.
Yeah, the steam pressure.
So long this device is under pressure, you cannot open it manually. There's a security who block it. And if you move it a little bit, he will recognize it immediately, so that he will give you a message before we come to the mechanical lock. But it's locked. It's really a safe device, because cooking under steam and under steam pressure is always dangerous, because when you have 1 liter of liquid expand up to 30 liter of air volume. That means when you open it, you will have really a big, a big cloud of hot, 100 degrees hot steam will go to your face and burn all over your skin. That's right. Very dangerous. But it is like my wife wants to have a turbo cooking device. Because all the turbo cooking from Russell. My wife wants to have a turbo cooking device, and the only turbo cooking device is if you cook under pressure. It's like that. Yeah. You can boil potatoes in 10 minutes there, while you need 30 minutes normal stove. Yeah. It's true. Yeah. So soon we come to the end of cooking and we will see the result. Before I see the result, I need some wine because cooking with wine is our wine. So good. So now you will see in the app that he's done, and you can see remove ginger and lemongrass, enjoy, and he keeping warm. So now you can easily open the lid, also to open the cover, but still it is hot. Be careful that you don't get burned. And as you see now, all the condensed flow at the back. And I just want to show you this. You can remove it, and there is all the condensed water catched in. So you can easily throw it away, put it back, you know. You have no mass, no liquid to drain back into your cook, and nothing mass. The soup looks like that. We can mix it a little bit, yeah. It looks good. Stimmt's. Everything looks cooked, no? Serve wind. Wow.
Yan ang kanyang soup na ginawa.